Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Netlify forms and serverless functions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Netlify forms and serverless functions, start by creating a new site on Netlify. Connect your Git repository to deploy your website. Make sure your website framework supports Netlify, such as React, Vue, or simple HTML. Next, create an HTML form in your project directory. Make sure to add the Netlify attribute to the form tag. This attribute enables Netlify to handle your form submissions automatically. Specify the input fields your form will require, such as name, email, and message. You can do this using standard HTML input elements. Each input needs a corresponding label for accessibility. After setting up your form, it's time to test it locally. Run your development server and fill out the form to ensure it functions correctly. Open your browser console to check for any errors in your form setup. Once satisfied with your form, push the changes to your Git repository. Netlify will automatically deploy your changes. After deployment, go to your site settings on the Netlify dashboard. Locate the Forms section to view your form submissions. Now, let's integrate serverless functions. Create a new folder named Functions in the root directory of your project. Inside this folder, create a JavaScript file for your function, for example, submitform.js. In this file, use the Netlify function handler template as a guide. To access form data, read the request body from the event parameter. Optionally, validate the input fields to ensure data integrity. After processing the data, consider sending a confirmation response back. Deploy your function by pushing changes to your repository again. Once deployed, head back to the Netlify dashboard and navigate to the Functions section. Here you can test your functions and check for any errors. Now, link your form to your serverless function. Update your form's action attribute to point to the function URL. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.